Scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard to Required Items and select Prescription. A screen will appear asking if you would like to add the prescription now or send it later. We recommend that you upload the prescription now. If Eyelation does not receive a prescription within 10 days of placing the order is automatically canceled. You will receive 2 email notifications reminding you to upload your prescription before the cancellation. If you select Send It Later and need to send us your prescription, you can email us at questions@eyelation.com or have your eye care provider fax it to us at 708-572-6487. We will then upload it to your account and process your order. If you select Add It Now, it will prompt you to upload your prescription. If you are accessing our online marketplace through an internet browser on your tablet or your smartphone, you can use your camera to take a photo of the prescription. If you are on a computer, you will need to browse and upload the prescription, or you can drag and drop the file from your desktop.